Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Monday, December 4th. Well, if you're not familiar with these videos, green means a buy level, red means a sell level. If you see dashed lines, it means that it's something that happened earlier in the week. Well, let's talk about the S&P here. First, we had some fundamentals coming out that stimulated these stock indices. Part of that was the comments we got out of the Fed from Chairman Powell, and it created a certain degree of comfort. And we'll see now the issue is, do we get follow through? I do look for an update on Monday. I do look for follow through to the upside in these indices. But let's take a closer look here. You can see just yesterday the market traded below that sell level only by a couple ticks. And I want to point out, if we were a seller here, the market closed against us. That would have been a losing trade. The difference between the buy and sell level is $7,450 a contract if you're not familiar with these futures markets. Well, let's talk about the NASDAQ market. It also traded below its sell level. The dollar difference in that market, $10,340 a contract. I'm looking for an update on Monday. The Dow is the strongest out of all these indices, and continued follow through would be expected. The mid caps finally woke up a bit. Let's see if we can maintain that momentum, but don't look for a big day on Monday. Euro breaking to the downside. Oh, the difference between this buy level, that dashed line, and that sell level, just to give you a reference, is $400 a contract. Now here's something that you can do at dangramza.com. You can go back and look at previous videos. In fact, you can go back over 10 years looking at videos. But you could go back and see when that green line was originally put here, and you would see how these lines are adjusted as the market unfolds to give you an idea of how one can look at these futures markets. Alrighty, so I'm looking for an update on Monday in these currencies. I think the dollar may continue to get weaker. Swissy, nice and clean close a bit, not super strong close, but a step in the right direction. The difference between the buy and sell level in the Swissy is $662.50. Over here in the Japanese yen, Mr. Yen, from buy level to that sell level, that's $500 a contract. Follow through is expected, but big challenges ahead for that market and also for the Aussie dollar. The difference between the buy and the sell level in that market, $470 a contract. British pound, from the buy level to the sell level there, $768.75. Follow through, yes, but be careful here. This is not a super strong setup in terms of the close. Canadian dollar, big challenges ahead, but follow through would be expected there. The difference between the buy and sell level in that market's $490 a contract. In Bitcoin, the difference here between the buy and sell level there is $2,725 a contract. I want to point out to you again, if you were a seller here, this market failed. That's why it's always important for any trade when you initiate it to think about risk management. Where is that point of failure? The difference between this buy and sell level in the 10-year notes is $656.25. Yields are coming down, prices are going up. That's expected to continue. 10-year notes and the 30-year bonds that you're looking at here. The difference between the buy and sell level in the bonds is $1,375 a contract. Gold also perking up a bit. The difference here between the buy and sell level in that market was $2,700. This is the March contract. Follow through is expected, But be careful here at these levels. Same thing for silver. The difference between the buy and sell level there is $3,800 a contract. Follow through is also expected. And in copper, we've got a number of things going on in Panama and Peru, and also you need to look at China. But right now it has a positive move. I'm a little skeptical. Don't look for a big day on Monday. And in crude oil, downward pressure, even though we've had OPEC talk about production cuts. Remember, those don't start until next year. And we'll see if that market wants to give us a rally. Same thing in nat gas. I look for a sideways move there to continue. In soybeans, the difference between the sell and buy level, $1,100 a contract. We're at a level though, buyers have entered that market before. Corn, also trying to figure out what to do here. Weather conditions in South America are important for that market. And in the wheat market, the difference between that sell to this buy level is $200 a contract. Look for an inside day on Monday. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for sharing part of your day with me. Look forward to being with you again on Monday. In the meantime, take care and have a terrific weekend.